to Grace, the anti-roll bar drop links were advised on the MOT as well. There's no play in them. They don't move or anything, but I think the rubber's just really badly perished. So eventually what'll happen is the rubber will just completely disappear and then they'll start knocking and banging. Yeah. And then they would fail. Oh, okay. But for now, we will replace them for her. If I do this side first, and then do you want to do the other side?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Okay, so we've got, yes, that's the new one, isn't it?
Yeah.
So with these, you're going to get them right way around. So if you see
that bit at the top there, yeah.
So make sure we get that way.
Yeah, cool.
Well, you hold it that way then, and that way I know I can get it the right way around.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay. So I've got 12 mil on the top and 30 on the bottom. I've got to do that because when I turn them, the whole thing's going to move.
Okay.
Oh, let's do it this way.
That's nicely stuck in place.
It is indeed. So once I've undone it, I should be able to flick it all out.
Yep.
Whoop. Grace, can you get me a lever?
Yeah,
please?
of course. Which one? The biggest one or this one here?
You give me too much choice. I don't know which one to use. Let's go with the medium one.
Perfect.
So I can't get that out of there unless I move it. Oh my gosh.
It's falling apart.
Alright. We need to get that top one out of there. I think. I'm gonna get him out. We're gonna have to undo him, I think, at the top as well. Right. We need, what size is that? 10 mil?
Yep.
Please. Of course.
So you're going to use that to hold it?
Yeah, so that should, oh, that's so rusty, isn't it?
Yeah.
Get it right around. Oh! Okay, let's go in. Let's get that out of there.
Nice.
You have them?
Yep.
Where's my little...
That's it there, yeah.
Right, we need a hammer, but I ain't got one.
Just gonna...
If we had the other side off, the whole bar would move.
Shall I take the other side off then?
It would like... So you take that side off, and then the anti-roll bar will lift up, and then you can pop them both on.
Yeah.
Should we do that to make my life easier?
Let's do that, yeah.
Go on, kickboxer. Yes. That's it. See how it holds it? Saves up your hand then, don't it?
That's it, isn't it, yeah?
She's got it.
We've done it, we've done it. And then this is when you do it...
No, I'd keep going, take that bit off.
Get this bit off first.
Drive like a new car, shouldn't it, when she gets it back?
Yeah, absolutely. And then, now I'm stuck.
Go on, you can do it.
That's it. Nice.
Teamwork.
Teamwork makes
Makes
the
the
dream
dream
work.
Sorted. So we've got both of them out. They're the old ones.
Yep.
These are the new ones. You see the difference in the rubber?
Yeah.
See how these are nice and new and they're quite expanded, so there's a lot. Whereas the old ones, they're all perished and cracked and they've started to squash. They probably wouldn't have even lasted till the next MOT.
No, not at all.
It's a good job we're doing them.
Yep. Yep, that's in.
Wicked. The flat side on, nice and secure. And that's a nylock nut.
Oh, so those are the ones that they lock into
in-
place,
lock
yeah.
in place.
So that's what's just do it loosely for now,
That's
isn't
it.
it? Yeah.
Right, so, oh, you get, oh yes, she's got it on. Right,
It's
so
just
if I,
pushing down now, isn't it? So that it goes through the. That's it.
can you get on that?
Yeah. Or can I?
It's hard to do any with one hand.
Yeah.
It's fiddly.
Okay, that's on a little bit.
So now all we've got to do then is tighten them all up.
Yeah.
And then they're done. So much easier putting them back together, isn't it? Your turn. That's it.
Like that.
Yeah, that's better.